how to search for a car on CarGurus. Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can search for a car on CarGurus. To search for a car is very simple. The first step is to visit CarGurus website or the mobile application, and then once you're on the home page, move to the lower part of the screen where you can see the option start shopping, and then just click on it. So after clicking on start shopping, you'll be brought to the shopping page where you would see the right top which says start your purchase online, discover listings with finance and trading and this delivery available. So once you can see that, the first option here will be for you to choose the kind of make that you want. All right, so there are different kind of makes here, so you can just go ahead and select the one that appeals to you. So after selecting a make, you'll be asked to choose a model. All right. So to choose the model, you can see different models that are available here. So just select it and then select your zip code. Type in the zip code and then click on search. So after that, clicking on the search icon, you'll be brought to the search page where you can see different cars based on the uh options that you entered in, all right, based on the model, based on the make. So after you're brought to this page, you'd wait for it to load, and then once it has loaded, by the time you scroll down, you can see different cars that you can make inquiries about. But if you still want to filter your search, just move to the top part of the screen. There are different kinds of filters here. You can decide to filter your results by clicking on years, and then you'll see the years of the car. All right, you'll be asked to select the kind of years you want to. What is the minimum and what is the maximum? So for me, I'll be selecting the minimum to be, for example, let's say 2017. All right, and then you can see max 2024, and then you can also try the exterior color. You can use all of this as well for your filter details, and then click on apply. Then after clicking on apply, the page would load again, and the cars that fits into those years would be displayed to you. You can also filter by price in order to watch your pocket. You can also filter by distance from you. You can see vehicle price, finance, and then the minimum, the maximum. Just go ahead and set this to suit you. And just for example, now this is an example. I'll be selecting minimum as $11,000 and the maximum as $35,000. And then by clicking on finance, you can now see the maximum monthly payment and as well as the down payment. Then if you've done all of that, click on apply. And then you'll be taken to another page. And here you would also see the cars that fall into these categories. So you can just check it out, check out the one you can afford, check out the ones that appeal best to your personality. You can also contact the dealer if you want to, and you're good to go. So this is the way whereby you can search for a car on CarGurus. Thanks for watching and have a good day.